actually the best it sounded in a while. I had to pull the fuel injectors and clean them again. It's pretty ridiculous. She's not burbling on the low end anymore. There's no puffing. It's running pretty good right now. Running pretty good at the moment.